Hello, I'm Dave Christie from Anker Stuy. I'm going to do a demonstration of our interior Anker Acryl base primer. It's 170556. I'm going to be using a Sartor 1000 spray gun, gravity fed pot gun with it, which is set up with a 2.5mm tip. Now you can do this with a smaller tip. I've actually run this through a 1.8mm tip, but it struggles a little bit on 1.8. But 2.5 easy, and there are various different setups that will work, but we would definitely recommend, if you can, a 2.5mm tip. We'll be using a air pressure coming into the gun of about 2.5 bar to do our spraying. Okay? Go. Okay, what we're doing here is we're just showing you the spray pattern that we hope to achieve with the gun, the sort of width that we're looking for. We're using a piece of brown cardboard because it's difficult to see against a white background. I'll just put the extraction on. Right, first we want to show you that we're just spraying a pretty ordinary looking piece of MDF. It's a flat piece of MDF, it's not very high quality. We're deliberately not using a very high quality, just to demonstrate the product. The way the product works is, unlike solvent-borne products that dry quickly and don't raise the grain, this waterborne filling product fills the grain so that it's easy to flat sand it after you're finished. So it fills the grains, and it does raise it a little bit, but it gets into the grain and fills in and gives a nice smooth finish. Okay. I'm now going to measure the wet film build with one of our decent quality wet film gauges. Covering all the teeth up into 130. And just touching 150. Okay, this is the first layer prior to any sanding. We're pretty pleased with that. It's hard to show on the phone, but it's filled the grain quite nicely. You can see the grain, but once we sand it, we should be getting a nice smooth finish before our second coat of primer. Just to let you know, these were the conditions that we've been working under today. Quite high temperature, 20 degrees C and 42% relative humidity, but that's really just a function of what the weather's like outside at the moment. Thanks. Okay, we're going to do our sanding now. I've actually got some 240 grit on this at the moment, just to get the main raised grain off. Okay. Okay. Well, you can't tell this from the phone obviously, but that is nice. I mean, it is really smooth. But that's a beautiful finish already, and we've still got to do another coat on that.